Ready to join the retreat? The Like Body Living Retreat is coming up on April 18th to 21st. Now, this retreat is going to be held at Shades of Barbados. The Salmon Sisters are putting on this retreat, and it is for those people that want certain problems solved. Okay, you're struggling with some health challenges, you're fatigued, you're burnt out, you're stressed out, inflammation is high, your diet isn't quite right, you need a community, you need accountability, you need some structure. This retreat is for you. This addresses those issues. It teaches participants how to cleanse their body system, how to optimize their digestion, how to make this sustainable. Okay, make sustainable practices. Okay, you're going to be in the Wellness Warriors community now, so that helps with accountability and support. I mean, at this retreat, it's not all workshops and you're going to have downtime. So those people that are stressed and burnt out, this is where you need to come so you get space to disconnect, to really work with other participants and help your meditation, your grounding, getting in more sunshine, doing some saunas, getting some massages. This is what you need to really relax you and make things more nourishing and restorative. That's where transformation occurs. When you have a chance to balance the body, the mind, and the spirit. And we're going to work on all three. You're going to get a beautiful sound bath first day in. You're going to get some downtime, and you're going to start with a beautiful supper, a raw vegan supper. Okay. And then you're going to get into your cleanse for Saturday and Sunday. We're going to end Sunday with a little raw food to, you know, get you ready for maintenance that comes after. But the knowledge, once you have the knowledge, now you can start putting certain things in practice, right? So the detoxifications can be 3 days, and then you do one in 3, 4 months. But now you have the knowledge that you can go forward and do some of these things, and you're knowing why you're doing it. We're gonna talk through intermittent fasting, so you can really put that in place as well, and make it so that it's functional. You don't want it that is fluff. You want it that it works, so that you can maintain what you have started. Okay, and lots of people have difficulty transition into a healthier lifestyle. We're going to talk about that. They get overwhelmed with so much different things. So we put certain steps in place to get you started. You don't have to do all of them at once. Step by step instructions help you with your transition to manage it better, make it more enjoyable. Okay. Also, making sure that you connect with nature, because this is very important. Earth, air, water, and fire. We focus very much on food, on exercise, but we gotta look at the overall picture. Okay, making sure you're getting your sunshine, you're drinking, hydrating, or eating hydrating foods. Those things are just as important. So, making sure your power to heal in nature is adequate, and making sure that your goals are aligned before you leave there. You're leaving there with positive intentions, ready to go forward with certain actions because you're identifying what you value, what you want to reset to make your routine completely different. So join us on this retreat. It is going to be epic. Awesome is the right word. Okay, so check us out online and organicearthira.ca, or you can look at the link in the bio for Instagram, and it'll take you right there. Thank you.